Bergen County, New Jersey is known for having some of the highest property taxes in the country. So why are so many families still choosing to settle here? The answer is simple: the incredible schools. In today's video, we'll go through the top 5 neighborhoods in Bergen County with the best schools, based on recent rankings from niche.com. Whether you're moving for a new job, a fresh start, or just seeking the best educational options for your kids, Bergen County has schools that are not only top rated in New Jersey, but also stand out nationally. Okay, let's dive into these standout neighborhoods. Okay, so starting us off at number 5, we have the Rutherford School District. Rutherford has a wonderful, tight-knit community feel where parents are active and teachers go above and beyond for their students. It's also ranked number 22 in the state of New Jersey, a great choice for families who want a supportive environment. Next, at number 4, within Bergen County, is the Riverdale Regional School District, which serves River Edge and Oradell communities. This district is known for being very welcoming, which is perfect if you're new to the area. Academics are strong and ranked number 21 statewide. At number 3 is Tenafly Public School District. If you're after a district that encourages students to reach high, Tenafly is a fantastic choice. It's also ranked number 6 in the state of New Jersey and number 100 nationally, according to niche.com. Plus, it's a diverse community, adding a rich cultural experience alongside excellent academics. Hey, quick pause. The New Jersey real estate market is moving fast. Whether you're buying or selling, timing is everything. My network of agents covers the entire Garden State, so we can find the perfect fit for your unique needs. Click the link in the description below to book your free consultation today, and let's make your real estate dreams a reality. Our runner-up spot goes to the Ridgewood Public School District. Ridgewood consistently earns top marks, holding the number 4 spot in New Jersey and number 67 across the US. It's a well-rounded district with a huge selection of AP courses, tons of extracurriculars, and a big focus on preparing students for college. And finally, taking the top spot is the Northern Valley Regional High School District in Demarest. According to niche.com, Northern Valley is ranked number 1 in New Jersey and a remarkable number 37 nationwide. This district is known for its outstanding academic programs and vibrant school culture. And here's a bonus. Northern Valley actually serves 7 different towns, so it covers more ground than any other district on our list. The towns in this district cover Closter, Demarest, Harrington Park, Haworth, Northvale, Norwood, and Ottapand, and all are situated in the northeast corner of Bergen County. So technically, this list of top 5 neighborhoods in Bergen County based on school districts actually reaches 12 different towns. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly makes these districts so highly rated? According to niche.com, when assessing a school district, there are a few things to look out for. Standardized test scores. High scores usually reflect strong academics. Student to teacher ratio. Smaller class sizes mean more individualized attention. Technology use. Schools using up-to-date tech help prepare students for today's digital world. Advanced placement, or AP courses. More AP options give students a head start on college. Extracurricular activities. A good range of clubs, sports, and arts programs can make all the difference for a well-rounded experience. There's one other thing to remember. Bergen County's higher property taxes contribute to funding these top-tier schools. So while those taxes may seem steep, they're an investment in your kids' education and future. And for many, that's worth every single penny. Plus, strong schools often mean strong property values, so this investment can benefit your home's value too. All right, so to recap, our top 5 towns based on school districts are Rutherford, Riverdale, Tenafly, Ridgewood, and at the very top, Northern Valley Regional. Again, these rankings come from niche.com, a fantastic resource if you're beginning your town and school research. If you're looking for the ideal neighborhood with top-notch schools, feel free to reach out or check out niche.com yourself. I'd be happy to help you find the right fit. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and click on the bell for more on Northern New Jersey living. And if you're in one of these school districts, I'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below to help others who are considering a move.